Hey, Nick here from AML Equipment and Supply. Today we're going to be unboxing an Xlerator hand dryer. The Xlerator has been the leading hand dryer for many years with an unbeatable 7-year warranty, 8-second dry time, and an unbelievable cost savings of 95% versus paper towel. Visit us at amlequipment.ca for more information. The link is in the description below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for new video notifications. And so now we're going to unbox the Xlerator hand dryer. So when you first open it up, you'll notice that there is a tamper-proof wrench that is specifically made by Xlerator to take off the cover, and some installation instructions. This is what it looks like when it comes in the box. And we're just going to take that out. You got your new Xlerator hand dryer.